Very good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, Fiber to Fabric. Now, before starting with this chapter, you might have learned in your lower classes that why do we need clothes? What is the purpose of clothes? Yes, clothes protect us from heat of the sun. Clothes protect us from cold. Clothes protect us from insects, from harsh weather, when it is extreme hot or extreme cold. That is why we wear clothes, right? Now, we know that why do we need clothes, but we must also know that how the clothes are made. जो हम मार्केट से क्लोथ खरीदते हैं, स्टिच खरीदते हैं, वो कैसे बनते हैं? वो एक फैब्रिक से बनते हैं. हम मार्केट में जाके वी जस्ट आस्क वी वांट कॉटन क्लोथ्स, तो दे गिव अस फैब्रिक. अब वो फैब्रिक कैसे बनता है, वी गोइंग टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर, राइट? I hope it's clear why do we need clothes, right? So next thing is fabric. Whatever we get from the market, that is a fabric, right? Now fabric कैसे बनता है? अगर आप एक कॉटन क्लोथ लोगे, कॉटन क्लोथ को, यू टेक अ पीस ऑफ क्लोथ, कॉटन क्लोथ, you cut it, right? You'll see threads coming out from there. That is basically yarns. We call them as yarns. You just scratch that particular thread with your thumb and finger. They will be converted into they will split into still thinner threads. Those threads are called as fibers. ठीक है, तो हम वीविंग करते हैं yarns की and we get the fabric, right? Now in the older times, when people were not knowing about agriculture, वो क्या करते थे? वो animal skin से अपनी bodies को cover करते थे during winter season, and during summer season they use plant material like grass, right? Bark, leaves, all these things they used to cover their bodies. But with the advancement, needles were there, तो weaving start हो गई. ठीक है, जिसके अंदर जो फाइबर्स होते थे, they were converted into yarns. ग्रुप ऑफ फाइबर्स yarns ही तो होते हैं. फिर yarns को हम वीविंग प्रॉपर करते थे, और निटिंग एंड वीविंग के थ्रू हमें क्या मिलता था? फैब्रिक. ठीक है, तो हम कॉटन फैब्रिक है मार्केट से ले लेते हैं, जूट फैब्रिक है, तो वी गेट दीज थिंग्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फैब्रिक, और फिर फैब्रिक को हम स्टिच करते हैं एंड वी गेट द स्टिच क्लोथ्स फ्रॉम द मार्केट, right? So remember that fabric is made up of yarns, and yarns are further made up of thinner thread like structures which are called as fibers, right? Now from where do we get these fibers? जो ये small thinner, even smaller, thinner than your hair, single hair, right? So from where do we get these fibers? Let us see the source of fibers. There are two type of fibers, natural and synthetic. From the word only we can understand. Natural क्या होती है? From nature. और nature के अंदर क्या आते हैं? Plants and animals, right? So we have natural fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from either plants or animals. For example, if we talk about plants, in plants we have cotton, we have jute. From animals we have wool, we have silk. You all know we get wool from sheep, camel, rabbit. There are different sources. From where do we get the wool, right? And if we talk about silk we get from the adult silk moth. We're going to learn how do we get silk in the later part of the chapter, right? How the wool is obtained, how we're going to process that wool, right? All these things. wool एक fluffy structure होता है, ठीक है? ये हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? ये animal से मिलते हैं हमें. silk moth, we get the wool from sheep and we get the silk from silk moth. वो पूरा आपका cycle है, we're going to learn that particular part in this later part of the chapter. ठीक है? So next thing is, if we talk about synthetic, examples are nylon, polyester. All these are made from chemicals or petroleum, right? So there are two type of fibers, natural and synthetic. Natural is further divided into, depending upon the source, plant fiber, animal fiber. Plant fiber, like we have cotton, jute, and animal fiber we have wool, silk. And if we talk about synthetic, we have nylon, polyester, right? So they have different properties, synthetic, they are too smooth. अगर हम सिल्क की बात करते हैं, सिल्क इज lustrous, it has quite good luster, right? तो सबकी properties अलग अलग होती है. we're going to learn about this in the later part of the chapter, right? I hope it's clear to you now whatever we have discussed today. So for your homework, you will be reading 2 pages, first 2 pages, that is your introductory part, that is page 25 and 26. Right? Thank you so much.